Health Watch is presented by UMass Memorial Health Care. Here, caring for you.
Welcome to Health Watch, presented by UMass Memorial Health Care. Today I'm with registered dietitian Anna Palucha, and we're talking about dairy-free diets. Anna, what is lactose and why does it bother so many people?
Lactose is a sugar, a natural sugar that's found in milk, and it's actually quite common to be lactose intolerant. Many adults in the United States just simply don't have the ability to digest lactose.
What's the difference between lactose intolerance and a milk allergy?
Lactose intolerance is the inability to digest lactose, and that's a sugar that's found in milk. So when you can't digest lactose, we often have symptoms like gas or bloating or even GI distress like diarrhea, whereas a milk allergy is much more severe. So it's an immune response from the body that's actually the body attacking itself. And it can cause things like bloody stool, vomiting, so it's a much more serious reaction to milk.
Is there a definitive test for lactose-related health issues?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're experiencing bloating or gas after consuming milk products, you can talk to your primary care physician and they can do a lactose test to determine if you are lactose intolerant. A lot of people just eliminate lactose-containing products from their diet. Their symptoms go away and they feel a lot better.
What are some of the not-so-obvious culprits of lactose intolerance?
Any product that contains milk could potentially have lactose in it. So obviously things like milk, ice cream, cheese, yogurt. Funnily enough, a lot of people can tolerate something like yogurt or cheese because it has a much smaller amount of lactose in it, but they can't really drink a glass of milk or have ice cream.
There are many lactose-free products available. Are they helpful?
If you're lactose intolerant, they do make things like lactose-free milk, they make lactose-free sour cream, they make lactose-free yogurt, and those are obviously going to be helpful for people who can't tolerate lactose. There are some foods that are naturally free of lactose, like almond milk or soy milk or a coconut ice cream, and those would be fine too.
What about calcium and vitamin D without these milk products?
As we know, calcium and vitamin D are primarily found in dairy products. So if you're not going to have dairy in your life, you do need to be a little more careful about finding those nutrients in other places. So things like leafy green vegetables are good sources of calcium. Fatty fish is a good source of vitamin D. There are some products like cereal and orange juice that are fortified with those vitamins and minerals, so you can make sure you're getting in a dose of that every day. But most people are just going to take a supplement, like a calcium and vitamin D supplement.